Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build WildFly 27 application server from its source code in Windows 10 using Maven 3.8.7 and Java 11. So here you can see that I have already downloaded WildFly 27 application server source code from wildfly.org website. So I have provided the download link in the description of this video. Okay, let me extract this source code archive. So I have extracted the WildFly 27 source code archive. So here I can see one pom.xml is there. So the pom.xml is the basic building block of this project. So it has multiple modules. You can see multiple modules are there. So let me open the pom.xml. See here. So these are the modules available in WildFly 27 application servers. So you can go through the pom.xml. You can see multiple tasks and targets will be there specified in pom.xml. So before we proceed to building the source, this is my Maven installation. So let me open my settings.xml. So you can see that my Apache Maven 3.8 is pointing to local repository. Local Maven repository. So all the artifacts downloaded to this local repository. This is my Maven local repository. So during build process, some jar files and artifacts will be getting downloaded. So those will be stored into that local repository. Okay, and this is my environment settings. So I have already added the Apache Maven bin directory to the Windows path variable and also Java 11 bin directory to the Windows path variable, so that Maven and Java 11 commands will be available in the command prompt. Okay, now let us start to building the WildFly 27 application server from its source code. So let me open the command prompt, go to that directory. Okay, execute the below command mun space clean install. That's it. So this command will build the modules and install the Maven artifacts to the local repository. You can see that build is successful. So you can see the output or binaries in the folder which I am showing now. See here, WildFly 27 final is got built. Let me go inside the directory. You can see that this is the directory structure of WildFly application server after building from source code. You can see bin directory contains a lot of executable files. So you can go through the WildFly 27 output directory. So you can copy this directory separately and you can start the WildFly application server. So we have successfully built WildFly 27 application server source code on Windows 10 using Maven 3.8.7 and Java 11. Make sure that you have internet connection to download the jar files and artifacts.